Hey, what is up, everybody? This is Rob, and it is that time, guys. It is Monterey Car Week. So what is that? If you're new to the channel, it's this really awesome time out here in Monterey, California, where you'll see all these nice cars from all over the world come out to be on display. Lots of different car meets and car shows everywhere. So let's go ahead and let's start it off with doing a little bit of car spotting down in Carmel. Carmel during Monterey Car Week, because there's just so many nice cars parked all around, and then just driving by. Let's see what we can find. Nice GT3 RS. Two of them. Very nice. I think he's here for the cars too. Lot of 765s. There it is. I am loving this carbon fiber with the red. That looks really good. Nice green back here too. I really like the way they did it. The green with the gold wheels. That definitely goes well. Look at that. Let's go back to this carbon fiber one. Look at that profile. This thing is just gorgeous. And then we have the exhaust in the back. Carbon fiber tips too. That's a really good touch. It's one of many, many cool cars we're going to see out here this week. A couple nice classics too. This is absolutely beautiful. This is Terry's Cobra. So Terry's actually very local, so pretty cool to see his Cobra out here. I always loved his build, especially the blue. Look at the back end.
I think one of them's a 6x6.
Looks really good. And look at that, we got Super right here. Looks good. Alright, you guys, now we're here at Pebble Beach. Now we're probably going to see a couple cool cars around. Let's see what we find. Guys, we're here at the McAllen House for the Bentley event now. Like I said, you just find all this cool stuff going on. So I actually test drove one of these last year. Really cool. It was black though, it's not green. Let's go see what you guys up to. Doing a quick little R&R session with Bentley, including our very nice McAllen whiskey, as well as some food. You know, we're back on the road, so let's keep on. Alright guys, we're now at the Lexus Experience. I always come here every year.
Okay, thank you very much.
Let's go inside.
Okay, you guys have fun. I'll be here.
Always have some nice concepts here. But this is pretty cool. Check this out.
I just was like,
This is neat. So it's on 24s. Notice the carbon fiber guard. It's an interesting choice. I like the rack up top. All Yeti setup. I like 600. Looks cool. Not bad at all. Let's see, carbon fiber over fenders. A lot of carbon fiber on this one. It's always fun to stop by the Lexus booth because they always have a couple nice cars out and about. So this is the Lexus TX 2024 500H. So this is what interests me. Look, so this is their RZ. So this is their electric car. Seems like it starts around the 60K mark. I think it's a bad looking EV. I mean, they always look kind of interesting, but it's nice blue. Nice wheels. Back end looks pretty cool. Definitely think it's a pretty neat looking vehicle. I really like... Let's get a closer look at that one. 2024 GX550. I like this. This thing is cool. Let's see. Check those specs out. 350 horsepower, 479 pounds of torque, V6 twin turbo. Okay. I always liked when it had that scored off body shape. So to me, this is optimal. Pretty nice. See how the back end is. Not bad. Interesting little line right there. You see that? Huh, pretty cool. Yep. Yep, the Lexus part of Monterey Car Week is always fun. So right now, I have right next to me 2 McLaren and a Rolls Royce, all right? And it really shows. So check out that orange McLaren, looks really nice. There's a nice McLaren right here also. Oh, Montana plates too. So it really shows that Monterey Car Week is a lot of fun because wherever you go, you're gonna see all these nice cars. You don't have to have access to the manufacturer houses or all that stuff. You can just come out here and just drive around Car Spot. You can just walk around Carmel and you're gonna see nice stuff everywhere. To me, it's what really makes it like just super awesome. It's just like if you were playing the Forza Horizon games, you know? Everywhere you look, there's gonna be something cool to see. For example, here it is, Rolls Royce. Everywhere you go, guys, definitely recommend coming to Monterey. All right, so we went here a few years ago. So Baja Cantina, they have sort of like a car meet at night. So I figure if it being Monterey Car Week, there'll probably be a lot of really nice cars to check out. Let's get in there. A lot of nice cars out here. Look at this Porsche, it's beautiful. But my favorite, as of right now, is definitely the Z28 right here. Look at that. This thing is beautiful. Oh, and it's for sale. Interior looks good. 6 shift too. It's pretty awesome. Really nice Ferrari right here. This is nice. Cool Stingray. But oh, let's check out this purple one over here. Wow. Oh, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. This thing is really cool. Looks spectacular. And then a really nice Barracuda right here too.
Okay. I know the Dodgers don't like the Giants and Corvettes don't like the Porsches. I've had a couple of Porsches, and that being said, I had 3 Corvettes.
Love the, like that blue. Really like this De Tomaso. Really nice. So yeah, Baja Cantina always has some nice stuff. My main thing now is we're just gonna get some food and probably go back to Carmel. You know, Ocean Avenue at night gets really fun. So you know, go ahead and get some food and go ahead and skip on over to that. Here we have a Koenigsegg White Diablo, very nice. My first time seeing a Huracan Storado, pretty sick. You can see the way the suspension's all set up from here. I mean, will really ever see the dirt? That was pretty cool to see. Really nice Ford GT right here also.
Drive it, yeah, drive it.
Look at
It's a beautiful Mustang. Damn, look at this.
I love you and your wife.
Oh no!
Hey, that's a 10. That's a 10.
I would give you more if I could.
Yeah, that's like a 100. I love you.
Pagani is here, and
Devin!
Cargo.
That's Cargo! Clear the way. Cargo! 10 out of 10, Cargo!
Holy shit. I mean, there's just a lot of people right now.
Logan McJilton, there's Ed!
What the?
Oh my God, rolling. They're gone. Logan!
E40 about to come out right here. One last spot to close out the night, and it's perfect, guys. 89 Countach. This thing is gorgeous. And it even has a for sale sticker on it. I really don't like that front bumper on it though. I'm pretty sure that's a regulation thing. But pretty cool to see. And it's for sale. I do like the wheels these come with. Really nice. Absolutely beautiful, guys. And you know what? This is a perfect time to call it, guys. So this was day one on our car week. A lot was done. So I'm going to go and head back to my Airbnb, and we'll continue off tomorrow. So with that, guys, this is Rob, and have a good one.